On October 21st, SolarTech joined Par for Purpose as a proud sponsor, coming together to support critically ill children and their families. As sponsors, we were honored to stand alongside our community for a day of purpose and giving. Par for Purpose brings people together to make a real difference for families facing serious health challenges. The event was filled with friendly competition, laughter, and unity, all for an important cause. Our team was thrilled to take part in such an inspiring day, contributing to a mission that truly matters. We want to thank everyone who joined us, donated, and made this event possible. SolarTech is committed to powering positive change in our community, and events like Par for Purpose are a powerful reminder of what we can achieve together. We can't wait to support Par for Purpose again next year. Visit their website to learn how you can get involved and make a lasting impact.